Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the copy link highlight feature. If you don't know, copy link to highlight feature allows you to create a link to a specific part of a web page and share it with others. It is actually very helpful when you are sharing a specific portion of a long article or of a long web page. So let's see how to make use of this feature. First, let's open our Google Chrome. And here you can see that I have a very long article about cybersecurity. And now, for example, I want to share this particular sentence about social engineering to one of my colleagues or my friends. Then it would be very difficult if I just simply send him the complete link of this article, which can be found right here, and then ask him to simply navigate to this particular section. So instead of doing that, what we can do is simply select this particular text that we want to get highlighted. Then once you select the particular text that you want to get highlighted, simply right click on it, and instead of the usual copy, click the copy link to highlight feature. Click on this button. Once you do, your link will be copied to your clipboard. Now let's test it out, and if you want to send the link, simply click on by Ctrl and V key combinations. Now this link will give you the highlighted version. So to test it out, let's press the enter key, and here you can see this is what your colleague or to whomever you have sent this link will see. He will directly be navigated to this particular section of the web page. So it saves time and a lot of effort. I hope you have liked this video. If you do, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.